So, letztes Mal haben wir ja mit dem Tutorial angefangen und sind dort kläglich gescheitert. Und da probieren wir jetzt heute nochmal. Genau, let's go, würde ich sagen. Sag mal nicht, dass ich die Scheiße nochmal... Ah, ich will die Scheiße nochmal neu anfangen, verdammt. Okay, ja, das ist das Blöd.
Smart, strong at least. Hello, Arthur.
Das ist jetzt dumm gewesen.
Abigail.
Kann ich da überspringen?
How you doing?
Ich kann es überspringen.
Hopefully this will lead us out. You see that on
So.
the bridge?
Da wären wir wieder.
I'll distract him while you get to the horses. Go! Draw them off.
So machen
All
wir
right,
es.
John, come on. Let's get you on that horse.
Wo sind's?
Away from me!
Ey, Junge.
Well done, Arthur. Okay, let's get going before any more of these bastards show up.
Da kommen garantiert noch mehr. Ja. Los!
Come on then, let's get back to the others.
Let's go!
I don't feel too good.
You'll be fine. It's just like a dog bite.
Knew a fella? Got bit by a dog.
Ja, echt, doch nicht so.
Died. An hour later.
You ain't gonna die. Not yet.
In 5 Minuten dann, aber jetzt noch nicht. Genieße es noch.
Up there! More of them! Alejandro! Get out of here! Shit, there's more on the right! We got more wolves on the left! Fuera! Get the hell out of here! Get out! Get the hell out of here!
Uhr schwer! Weg, komm.
You see any more, Arthur?
Don't think so.
Ja, bis jetzt nicht.
Jesus. You still with us, Marston?
Jetzt
Just
nicht.
about.
You're gonna be okay. We have some shelter now.
Thanks for coming for me.
Of course. That bullet in Blackwater, now this. You had a hell of a time.
And Arthur always says, I'm lucky.
Should ride in the water for a bit. Try to lose the scent. Don't want to leave a trail right back to camp.
You know, we're gonna need to come up with a
Boah, da
better
hätte ich auch
story
Angst
for
um die
that
Fresse.
scar. So, freezing, bleeding, starving, damn near getting eaten to death ain't
Würde
good
sich da
enough
nicht
for you.
brechen, weißt du?
Here, let's cross to the left.
Yeah, come on. Let's push hard and get back.
See those buildings up ahead, John? That's where we
Yep.
camped. Nearly there.
Juhui! Johnny Boy! Wehe, du haust noch einmal ab. Wehe, wir steinigen dich.
Come on! Someone help John down off this horse.
Can we get some help here?
Hallo? Oh oh. Oh oh, irgendwie bestimmt doch nicht.
Can we get some help?
Los.
We need some help here.
Come on, help him down.
Hallo?
You're alive!
Okay.
Here we go. There we go.
Jetzt haben wir es jetzt schon leicht dämlich.
It's his leg.
Wow.
Oh, come on, let's
Ich
get
hab's
you
vorher
warm.
schon gedacht.
Thank you
Oh
both.
Mann,
This is a new low, even by your standards.
ganz entspannt.
Thank you, Arthur. Thank
You
you.
got any other lost maidens need saving?
Not today.
Have you and Dutch talked about how we're gonna get out of this?
I was just discussing with Herr Strauss when the weather breaks. I suppose we'll have to keep heading east.
East? Into all that... That's civilization.
I know. The west is where our problems are worse. Come on, Herr Strauss, let's get warm.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan.
Easy, easy. Nice.
We have been running
Bloß
for
ein
weeks.
Kratzer.
We found shelter and been resting here in some old abandoned mining town while we wait the thaw. Hardly the spring I had been hoping for.
So what now, Dutch?
We get strong, we get
Okay.
warm, and we wait. When the storm breaks, we move. But we're safe here. Warm enough.
Ja, ist so herzig gemacht.
You sound doubtful.
Voll herzig.
Not doubtful, just worried.
We have been shot at before,
Voll
Jose.
süß.
I don't feel that this is honestly anything
Okay.
new.
I hope not.
We had a bit of bad luck, but then the storm covered our tracks, so now we wait a
Hoi
bit,
miteinander.
and we go back to Blackwater, and we get our money, and
zwei.
we get some more money, and we keep heading west.
But we're heading east.
For now. For now. We got this. We're safe.
Grüezi.
Stay strong.
Ich glaube, ich lasse ihn in Ruhe.
What about you, Arthur?
Kann man das
You
Zeug
doubt
mitnehmen?
me too?
Never.
Kann man Zeug nicht nutzen.
Because you
just
know
game.
me, son. I'm just getting started. Once we get some money, well, they better send some good men after us because they ain't never gonna find us. But
What?
we need money.
Of course, Dutch.
Thank you, son. For your support.
Up with you boys because I thought you liked action. Couple of days on the lam, and you lot have all turned yellow. Apart from you, of course.
Shut up, Micah.
I ain't never seen so many long faces. I guess folks miss them. That fell. But when I fall, I don't want no fuss.
When you fall, there'll be a party.
Party. Probably. That funny, huh? Sure. I don't feel like being laughed at by the likes of you two.
Stop it! Now! You
Echt die
fools
Trevor
punching
vibes.
each other when Como Driscoll's needing punching hard. You want to sit around waiting for him to come find us? All of you, we got work to do. Come on.
Are you sure about
Guys,
this,
what are they
Dutch?
hobbies?
Folks been through a lot recently. We hardly back on our feet yet.
And the last thing we need is to get bushwhacked by Como Driscoll. Let's go.
I know you hate him, Dutch.
Let's go.
He's here for us.
I doubt that.
No, you're just doubting me.
I would never doubt you, Dutch. You always said
Doubt you,
revenge is a luxury we can't afford.
This is the right call, Arthur. Take this. And this is about more than revenge for business long ago. They were talking about trains and detonators here. Colm always had good information. Come on.
And you think now is the right time to hit a train?
Now you might fancy living on deer piss and rabbit shit. I'm getting too old for that life. Mr. Matthews, Mr. Smith, Mr. Pearson, would you please look after the place? There are O'Driscolls about. Yeah!
Trink ein bisschen weniger. Trink ein bisschen weniger. Der ist Uhren zu, habe ich das Gefühl.
Southwest, right, Arthur?
Yeah. He said follow the main trail southwest. They're camped near some lake.
Okay, let's go find these bastards before they find us and rob this score they're planning.
Oh oh. Was ist es da mit der Waffe schon gegangen? So nicht. So nicht.
What's that? Tracks. Horses, quite a few of them. far as I can tell, the only fools out here are us and them. They must be this way.
Okay, das ist der Kompass. Nice.
You good, Dutch?
Of course. Listen,
Ja, ein bisschen
I know
Tagebuch
you
lesen.
don't think much of my ideas recently, but this is the right move.
Okay.
Keine Ahnung.
You know I got your
Aber ich
back.
finde es dann hoffentlich schon raus.
I learned a long time ago that you can't. Crystal.
Also der Dude, der das Ross nicht im Griff hat.
This feud between you and him needs to be put to rest. One way
Was
or
hören da
another.
draußen? Da sind sie voll am Ballern.
It will be.
Some things I can't
Nicht gut,
forgive,
Miki hat Angst.
others I
Alles gut,
can't
Miki.
forget. What he
Alles
did to
gut.
Hannibal, I can't do neither.
You
Aw.
killed his brother, Dutch. Ugh.
Yes, I did. And I hope the bastards will be reunited soon enough.
Oh, Pipi. Warte kurz. Du musst auf den Miki schauen. Ja, es gibt leider immer noch Menschen, die Freude haben an Feuerwerk. Sehr zum Leidwesen der Tiere. Aber das ist ein anderes Thema, hä? Machen wir
That's
weiter.
how this'll end.
Damn right, boss.
See that smoke? Let's cut up here and take a look. They said it was near the lake, so
geht
we
ihm
must
übrigens
be
gut.
close.
Er hat sich können beruhigen, der kleine Miki Fratz.
Hold up here. All right, gentlemen. This is it. Are we goddamn ready?
Ready, Dutch.
Good. Now,
Ja,
Miss
das
Morgan
ist
and
ein
I, we're gonna head up here a little, see if we can't get a sense of the layout of the camp. Mr.
Oh,
Williamson,
schau, herzig, die
Miss
zwei.
Bell, you two take up a hidden position just outside the camp.
Okay,
Mr. Summers,
konzentrieren wir uns.
Mr. Escuela,
Ja,
you
nein, dann
two
bin ich.
hold position here. Let's
Und
go.
ich? Okay. Ohne Ross.
There they are. That's definitely them.
Home?
I think so.
Yeah, that's him.
Die haben da schon gut was drin. So wie es aussieht. Und jetzt?
Who's he
Spannender.
talking to? He don't seem very
Yes, no?
happy.
No.
Oh,
They leaving?
Seem to be. Should we go get him?
No. Colin can wait. Best to get some of them out of there. And much less fun to rob him and his score if he never finds out about it. Come on, let's get down there.
let's get down there.
Don't forget to grab that rifle from your horse.
Okay. Welches ist jetzt schon wieder mies?
You two, get up there and keep us covered.
You got
Ich
it,
glaube
Dutch.
da dort hinein. Oder? Ich glaube. Ist da mies? Nein. Dann ist es da.
Quick, grab that
Das
repeater
Pferd
and
gehört
let's
mit.
get moving.
Okay. Entschuldigung. Du bist auch ein hübsches. Bist da du? Bist du mies?
That rifle's no use to us. Sit.
Und bei dir Karabiner.
Come on,
Den nehmen
let's
wir
go.
mit. Gut. Let's
We'll circle
go!
around the far side and go down that way, same as Micah and Bill. Like you said, revenge is a luxury we can't afford.
Yeah, just wasn't sure you agreed with me.
Arthur. Arthur, have you completely lost faith in me? Our needs right now
Yep.
are supplies, equipment, and a way out of here. Everything else, including Colm, can wait.
Okay.
There's enough of those bastards down there to deal with as it is. Now, come on.
Die haben Eigeduld, die Herren. Eigeduld.
It's steep here. Careful.
Du sagst. Ah.
Maybe I should take the lead on this. They're going to be gunning for you.
They ain't got me yet.
No.
Gang du schon mal
but the
voraus,
way
genau.
our luck's
Ich
been
warte da.
running,
Hush. Let's just get down there first. Follow me. Let's head for that building in front.
Das Spiel musst du dich hure in Geduld üben, habe ich das Gefühl. Das ist so...
Come on, follow me.
Okay.
Get in cover, Arthur.
That feller smacked you up something stupid, huh? Yeah, I sure did. Left him in the dirt and walked away. Yes, sir, it was Dutch's boys.
Das ist nicht Cover.
what are we doing,
Da
Dutch?
ist Cover.
I can take this if you want.
Just make the call. You want to take the lead? Go.
Ja, so machen wir's.
So why'd they
Let's
let
go.
you go? I wouldn't have done.
Make the call. Oh, Arthur.
Okay, okay.
Teeth off the floor. And
Warte.
you didn't tell him nothing. Not a word. Grease. At least the snow eased off a bit.
Okay.
Führung übernehmen
I'll go
jetzt. Nein! Ich gehe first. So nämlich. Ja, so. So. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
That's how you want to do it? Push forward.
Aber da hätte man auch von weiter oben können machen. So ist es nicht. So ist es nicht. Der drückt auf mir. Der drückt auf mir. Ja. Nein! Ah, okay. Wo ist er? Stirb du Hund. Stirb, du Hund! Wo ist er? Ernst? Gib mir eine andere Perspektive, das ist scheiße so.
You're dead now!
Da, Mann! Die Deckung geht anders. Geht anders. Das Gegenteil verdeckt. Lauf, Forrest! Lauf! Haben wir die jetzt? Oh.
Search the bodies.
Ja, Mann.
Everything we can from them.
Okay. Nein. Komm, juck, 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 juck. So. Was hast du mir Schönes?
Of course not. Cole
Dankeschön.
doesn't give a damn about his men. All he cares about is numbers.
Danke, du bist hure nice.
Ride a horse and kill without thought. You're in. Think how long some of you have been with me. I imagine Colm doesn't even know half the names of these fools. Heads up, boys! We got more coming in from the forest.
Oh, oh. Die Bastarde. Wo sind ihr? Ah, da! Lauf! Lauf! Den krieg That's my man.
Shit, there's a lot of them. What do you think, Arthur? Do we hold ground here or go at?
Kommt der Krieg. Ja. Nein. Ah, doch. Ich denke, jedes Mal, wenn es die Animation bringen, wenn es vielleicht jetzt gut ist. Okay. Kann man da eigentlich auch irgendwie speichern, oder wie sieht das aus? Spiel speichern, da. Cool. Ah nein, geht noch nicht. Spiel laden. Spielvertreter momentan nicht speichern. Okay. Okay. Aber was vielleicht noch gut wäre, wenn wir die Musik abstellen. Weil ich habe das Gefühl, dass die geschützt ist. Audio. Gesamtlautstärke, Musiklautstärke, da machen wir da. Machen wir es so. Gut. Dann ist so das Feeling nicht ganz gleiche, also für mich nicht, für euch schon, weil bei euch kann ich immer freie Musik einblenden. Aber ja, sicher ist sicher.